Hey guys, welcome to another video. This I got from Temu, and this is supposed to be a raised bed. It looks small, so basically what I'm gonna do with it is probably just get my seeds, the seeds for my vegetables up and going in it, because it looks real small. And it is small. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna use it to get my seeds up and going. That's nice. They put a screwdriver in it. And gloves. So stay tuned. Okay, I got the two sides together. Now I'm gonna get the corners together. When I get the corners together, stay tuned, and then I'll put everything together. Now that I got the two ends set up, time to put the side pieces on. So I'm gonna put them on and show you guys what it look like. And this is very nice, the size of it, for me to use it to do my seeding. This is nice size. Alright, stay tuned until it's finished. Okay, that's the final result. And I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet. Let's stay tuned. Okay, I have an old table here. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna get plywood, put it on the bottom so it'll be secure, and also I can put a cover over it, a plastic cover, to give it like a greenhouse effect after I put my seeds in. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.